Okay, this is job 24423. This job's called the Penske Truck Leasing. This is in Everett. It says on-site improvements, but in actuality, it is like a full-blown redo of this lot. So yeah, it's new construction, and what we're looking at today is the paving and the striping, signage, and wheel stops. There's also seal coat involved on this too. So when all is said and done, they want to seal coat it probably before the grand opening. Okay, so when you look at a map on this, the 2410 Railway Avenue address that they give puts you like down in this area of the map, and it's wrong. It's right here. As you can see on the site map here on the drawings, you could see the waterway that comes around, and then that's this property right here. Okay, so it's a pretty quiet road on Railway Avenue. It's going to eventually extend out that direction, but for now, what we know is this is a pretty quiet area. Staging's not going to be an issue at all because it's all new construction. Okay, let's get to some of the quantities. So the site plan we're looking at is C2.0, and the details are on C2.1, which are saved in Google Drive. The asphalt detail says to do 4-inch depth asphalt. There is 154,000 square feet that we are bidding as pave ready. So you could see on C2.0, there we go, C2.0, I did a measurement of the total area. This area right in here, it's not listed as an area to do yet. It's only this section, so I'm only bidding that portion right now. Based on the notes here, it says to refer to I think C2.1 on the drawings for the detail on. Yeah, it says heavy duty HMA pavement, C detail C2.1. And here is the detail on C2.1. Heavy duty asphalt pavement, 4-inch compacted depth, half-inch HMA. 2 lifts. So we got to do this in 2 lifts, okay? 2-inch lift, 2-inch lift, I would imagine. Okay? Like I said, we'll do pave ready. So we won't do any of the subgrade work. Okay, that should do it on the asphalt. And then on the striping, we've got 5,090 lineal feet of stall striping, 4-inch white, 730 feet of cross hatch, 2 ADA symbols, 2 ADA signs on round posts. So we'll have to set those on round posts, one being a van accessible, one being a regular sign panel. Slotted wheel stops. These are those Type X slotted wheel stops that you can get from Castone. I think that's what they call that company now. Or Greencast, whatever. Painted arrows. There's 2 painted arrows. And the dump no waste drains to river. Those are the stencils that go next to your catch basins. And there's 7 each of those. Seal coat. There won't be any crack fill because it's all brand new. 154,000 square feet of seal coat. Okay. So on C2.1, you see the, if I could get scroll down here. You see the dump no waste drains to river stencil. We need that stencil. And there's the arrow stencil, which is looks like 4-foot tail plus a 2.5-foot arrowhead, and then it looks like it's about 5 foot wide on the arrowhead and 2 foot wide on the tail. Handicap sign, round post. Okay, the van accessible sign, or that little sign that goes underneath. Let's see here real quick. It's just says van accessible. a little sign panel like that. But I think we can do the 12 by 18 sign that actually says van accessible on it, and we'd be okay. The precast wheel stop, there's your slotted precast wheel stop. And that's it. Pretty simple. Hopefully those details helped you out. We can get this put together. Due date on this is April 15th, so we need to get this done before Wednesday of next week. All right, so that means I'll need a chance to look at this week to review, and then hopefully we get this back out to them on like Monday. All right, any other questions? Let me know.